Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to close your BMW X3 bonnet. First, always double-check that nothing is left inside the engine bay that could obstruct the bonnet's closure. Make sure the bonnet support rod is securely clipped back into its designated holder. This prevents any damage when the bonnet is lowered. Now, let's move on to the next step for a smooth and safe closure. With the engine bay clear, gently lower the bonnet using both hands. Guide it down steadily until it is approximately 12 to 16 inches above the engine compartment. This controlled descent is crucial to ensure the bonnet aligns correctly with the vehicle's body. Avoid letting it drop from too high, as this can cause unnecessary stress on the hinges. Now for the final secure closure. When the bonnet is about 12 inches from fully closing, release it. Allow its own weight to drop it the remaining distance. You should hear two distinct clicks as the primary latches engage firmly. This method ensures both latches lock properly, providing a secure seal for your engine compartment. After closing, always verify the bonnet is fully secured. Gently attempt to lift the front edge of the bonnet. It should not lift more than about 1/8 of an inch, indicating a proper lock. If it lifts significantly or opens, repeat the entire closing process from the point where you lower the bonnet. A secure bonnet is essential for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.